students, before starting today's session, I want to tell you one point regarding 10th cbse board exam. If you have any doubt in physics, chemistry and bio, you can ask in comment box. As well as 11th and 12th bio and NEET. If you have any doubt, you have to ask in comment box and I expect your doubts in comment box. So today we can start our session. Today we are going to study the important and interesting chapter and one of the most weighted chapter of our 12th bio, that is human health and disease. It is most weighted chapter, around 9 to 10 marks will be asking for the CBSE board exam as well as for the NEET also. It is very important. So we can start about the chapter human health and disease. Let us see. For a long time, people they believe that health is the state of mind and body, and where there is a certain balance with good humors. It's asserted by Greek philosophers like Aristotle and the olden medicines like Ayurveda. After that, people they believe that health means if the people are having black bile, they are having hot personality as well as they are having fever. But what happened? After that, one of the scientists, his name is William Harvey, he discovered the blood circulation and he demonstrated some of the experiments. Through that, he rejected, he disapproved about the blood humor. And so after that later, according to bio explained what is health. Health we can understand mind influences. There is immune system, neural system and endocrine system. And next you can understand neural system or the immune system maintain our health. So this you can understand about the introduction of human health and disease. Now we can study one of the important questions for the CBSE board exam. What are the factors responsible for human health? What are the factors responsible for human health? There are three factors. First of all, you can understand it is lifestyle. Lifestyle. Second one, infections. Infections. And third one, genetic disorder. Genetic disorder. So these are the three factors which are responsible for health factors. We can see one by one. Lifestyle. See, now students are always studying, they are very curious, they are giving more preference for their future. So they study day and night, they sit and study. So loss of sleep and lack of exercise, lack of balanced diet. So because of this, some of the lifestyle, it can cause some of the disease. It affects the health. Second one, you can see infections. Some of the pathogens like bacteria, fungus, virus, they cause some of the disease. Those disease we can say infectious disease, that we can say about the infection. And third one is genetic disorder. Some small people, some small babies, when they born with some of the diseases, that we can say genetic disorders. So these three factors affect health. Now next we can study what is health. In this chapter we are studying about two words, that is health and disease. So what is health? See, you can understand, sometimes you may think health means if the absence of disease, if we are physically fit, then we can say it is health. But actually, according to WHO, means World Health Organization, what they told about health, it's a complete physical, mental, social well-being of an organism. It's a well-being of an organism, that we can say health. And what are the advantages of health? If you are health, then what you will get? See, if the peoples are healthy, then immediately the productivity can be increased. They can go for jobs and the productivity can be increased. And means they will get the longevity of the life, means lifespan will be increased. And there will be the reduce the mortality of child and infant mortality. So that we can understand about the advantages of health. So anyway, you can understand here health is one of the important factor, one of the important thing in our life. Yeah, if health is good, we can add all other things into our life. So next we can understand how to maintain, how to achieve good health. All are thinking we need good health. So how to achieve good health? There is simple answer is very simple. What you can understand? Balanced diet, maintaining good health, balanced diet and exercise. So these things we can understand to get good health. Not only that, people they believe that if we practice yoga, that also will be good. Not only this physical exercise, balanced diet and yoga, we should have well awareness about various infectious disease. If any disease affected, how it will affect the, what are the side effects of the body, and what are the various organs will be affected. We should have good awareness. Not only that, nowadays there are many medicines are there. Not only that, vaccines are there. We should understand about the vaccination, immunization, and proper hygiene should be there, and proper disposal of waste should be there, so that we can achieve good health. So here we have understood what is health, that you can understand if the person is having whole well-being of the person, you can understand health. So the another opposite word you can see here, that is disease. So what is disease? Students, you can say what is disease? The word you can understand, this is discomfortable. What you can understand about this discomfortable? If any organ or an organ system is not performed, not functioning, and it will affect the whole body, it cause some signs and symptoms, that only you can say disease. It cause some signs and symptoms, that we can say disease. There are different types of diseases, that you can say infectious disease, non-infectious disease, communicable disease, non-communicable disease, acute disease, chronic disease. There are many diseases. See here you can see some of the examples. See one example for infectious disease. Infectious disease caused by some of the agents, some of the infectious pathogens like bacteria, fungus. Bacteria cause typhoid. So this you can say infectious disease. And non-infectious disease, heart attack, cancer, diabetics, this you can say non-infectious disease. And some other types means communicable, non-communicable. Communicable disease, some of the viral disease like well-known disease, one of the disease corona and chickenpox, smallpox, these all we can say communicable disease. And non-communicable, if it is not spreading from one person, from a diseased person to the healthy person, that we can say non-communicable disease. So that also we can say the example diabetics, heart attack, these all non-communicable disease. So here we have understood what is the word health and disease. So please subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel. Next you can, in the next video you can see the remaining the topics, following topics you can listen. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you students.